Welcome. In this walkthrough, you'll discover exactly how to change your About section on the Pinterest app for PC using the newest update. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in, so you have full access to all your profile settings. Once Pinterest loads, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot a small gear icon, which leads you straight into the settings area. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This action will open up a menu filled with different options for personalizing your account. From these choices, select Settings. You'll be redirected to your main account settings page, the place where you manage everything about your Pinterest experience. Within the settings, look out for the section labeled Edit Profile. Click on it to bring up your profile details, including your name, profile photo, and the all-important About bar. Now, you're in the right place to update your About info. In the About bar, type out your new description or make any edits you want to your existing information. This is your space to share what you're passionate about, the kind of content you collect, or something fun about yourself. Take a moment to make it just right. Think of what you want other Pinterest users to know when they land on your profile. Once your changes are set, it's time to save. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. You'll notice that your new About section now appears on your profile, instantly visible to anyone who stops by. It's always a good idea to check your profile every now and then to keep your About section up to date, so your followers and visitors always know what you're about. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've refreshed your About section on Pinterest using your PC and the latest update. Give your profile a personal touch and make sure it reflects your interests and creativity with every update you make.